Hello Ascenders! And today I'm going to be giving myself a manicure using the Modelones nail priming set and their nail polish. This Modelones priming kit is available on Amazon, and right now they're having a Prime Day sale. You can use my code VANNAROSE10 for a discount on this set. This kit comes with a nail dehydrator and a nail primer. Now this is most typically used with gel polish and other nail extensions, but I'm going to show you how to use it with original nail polish. I'm going to be going through the whole process of me doing my nails, such as prepping, polishing, and removing. So let's get started. Alright, so let's apply the nail dehydrator. Basically, a nail dehydrator just removes any excess oils from your plate, so it makes for a nice clean surface for you to apply your base coat. When you paint it on, it basically dries instantly and it leaves your nail plate looking kind of dry. Now, since I'm applying nail polish to my nails, I'm just going to go ahead and skip the nail primer, and I'm just going to apply original base coat and let that air dry. But it is very important, if you're applying a gel base coat, that you're going to want to apply the nail primer because it will make your nails sticky when it dries, and the gel base coat will adhere better to your nails, so your gel will last longer. Also, I wanted to mention, you can apply original nail polish over gel base coat. All you have to do is, after you have cured your gel base coat in the lamp, just remove the sticky layer that is left after you cure the gel base coat, and then you can apply your original nail polish to the nail. But anyways, back to my nails. After I've applied my base coat and I let it dry, it is now time to pick a color. These are the two collections I will be showcasing in this video. They are the Modelones Bubble Bath Nail Polish Collection. You get 6 nail polishes, and the other collection is Graceful Charm. These nail polish collections are available on Amazon and for a Prime Day deal. So I will link everything down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. With the help of my friendly neighborhood's lab, why don't we swatch the colors first so I can pick one to paint on my nails. First up, why don't we take a look at the Bubble Bath collection. It is a set of natural/nude polishes. They have numbers, they don't have names. This one is a tan shimmer, so basically it's a tan base with a white shimmer running throughout it, and it looks beautiful in 2 coats. You can also apply this over any color to sort of kind of fake that chrome look that they do for donut glaze nails. The next one is a warm tone pinky brown cream. This is a yellow tan cream. These applied very nicely to the nail. They have a round brush, so it's easier to get around the cuticle. This is a skin tone peachy cream. This next color is a light pink with a white shimmer. This is a lighter brown cream. Now let's take a look at the Graceful Charm nail polish collection. This is a rich, warm tone, kind of dusty purple. This color is like a peachy, dusty cream. This is a very light pinky skin tone cream. Between these two collections, you gotta probably find one that's gonna go with your skin tone because there's a lot of different nudes here. Off-white, slightly yellow cream, but in different lighting, I am not kidding you, I feel like it looks like a light green. This is a very sandy-like cream color. You're probably not gonna like this shade if you like Anakin and hate Sam. The last color for this collection is this slightly dustier sand-like cream. These are the 2 shades that I picked. I really like this brown. It's such a beautiful cream. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply this shimmer over it to make like a little light chocolate glazed donut look. It is important when you're applying nudes slash natural polishes is to do less brush strokes as possible, because even though they don't look like they have a lot of color or pigment in them, they actually have a lot of pigment in them, and they can look very streaky very easily. So try not over stroke the brush. Try to do 3 to 4 brush strokes a nail, but of course it depends on how long your nail is. So just try to do less brush strokes when you're applying these kind of shades. After I've applied 2 coats of that wonderful color and let it fully dry, for me it took about 5 minutes between each coat, but it kind of depends on where you live. Nail polish takes a little longer to dry if the air is more humid, and I'm going to apply that beautiful shimmer. And if you just don't have that white chrome powder, you're going to have a little fill in with just a little white shimmer. Just applying 1 coat over any nail polish, it's just going to give it that nice shimmery effect. In particular, I really like how this polish looks. It's very pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a top coat, seal my nail polish in. It is very important because if you want your manicure to last longer, it's a protective layer. And also I suggest using a quick dry top coat to make sure your nails dry faster and there's less chance of them getting smudged. Here's my manicure. I love how my nails turned out. Very beautiful and can go with any outfit. Now when it undoubtedly becomes time for you to remove your nail polish, because you just want to switch it up, I'm going to go ahead and take this Modelones nail polish remover and a cotton ball, and I'm going to give that cotton ball a good soak, and then I'm just going to rub the nail polish away. I do not need to soak my nails in nail soakies because this nail polish remover is 90% acetone, so it removes nail polish really quickly, but also it has oils in it, so it's not as drying as pure 100% acetone nail polish remover is. So basically I just wipe the polish off and it removes it really quickly. And if you don't want to touch the nail polish remover filled cotton ball, you can use a cotton claw to hold it so you don't mess up your nails on your other hand, and you can just continue removing your polish. I want to do a video using these products because they're on Amazon and they are on sale right now due to Amazon Prime Day, and what a fun time to try it when you can get it on sale. So I will leave everything linked down in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. After I've removed my nail polish, I washed my hands like I usually do after I use nail polish remover. Next, I'm just going to put some cuticle oil on my nail plate and around my nails to moisturize them. And with that, I am done and ready for the next manicure. But for that, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams ascend to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.